Self-made man. My Year Disguised as a Man is a book by journalist Norah Vincent, recounting an 18-month experiment in which she disguised herself as a man, Ned, and then integrated into traditionally male-only venues, such as a bowling league and a monastery. She described this as a human project about learning. She states at the beginning that she is a lesbian but not transgender. In the book, she describes her experiences as a man in strip clubs, on dates, and as part of a men's support group. In order to effectively pose as a man, Vincent acquired a buzz cut and flattened her chest using a small sports bra. She also hired a makeup artist to fake a 5 o'clock shadow and trained for months to imitate a deeper male voice. She changed her diet and exercise regime to bulk up with more upper body muscle. Vincent joined a men's bowling team, where she says just took me in. No questions asked. She eventually became friends with them, even coming along to strip clubs and dating women who had no idea of her true gender. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.